of thousands and millions of subscribers. I don't have any of the other platforms. Yes, I do have TikTok, guys, and Facebook. I have Facebook also. So you can connect me everywhere. Okay? Hmm. Salamat. Sabi ni Nightbot, wag kang magmadali dyan. Be patient. Feeling nito. Nahag na suko ni Nightbot sa Kuamarian. Don't get angry with Nightbot, guys. Nightbot is just an application. And Nightbot has no heart. Thank you so much, guys. And good morning, everyone. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share in my videos. And please support dyan sa nakapin. Thank you always. And Village, still watching your Shine Goat feeding food. Oh my, the Nightbot is nice in my channel. Oh, me too. Nightbot is nice to my channel. And those Nightbot are naughty. Naughty Nightbot. If you're naughty, then Nightbot is naughty too. If you're good, Nightbot is good. Don't worry about Nightbot. Hmm. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining live and enjoy the rest of the day. Ayan. Still watching here, my friend Excalibur. You're giatsing-atsing ko ba? Parang sipunon man ko, no? I feel I have the sipon-sipon. You like my color? This is Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Nice, no Uniqlo. Wala kay volume.
My shirt is Krisa.
Oh, my.
Krisa
Ana,
brand.
ana akong mga salina nga kuano, yan mga akong design akong sanina kana na itom og na green.
Dili man ito,
Sa
man man navy
unsa?
blue. Navy blue.
Navy blue. Oh. Yan akong mga sanina
Not
nga kanang
black.
pang office sa una. Kay green be ami, green. Green company. That's why I always use the
80.
green. Hmm.
80. 80, 80.
80, that's your lucky number?
Yeah.
80. And what is your lucky number, Excalibur?
Scalibar. Sana on.
Thank you for the like, guys. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Ma'am Cha. Umabot ng 200,000 ang kanyang views as of tonight. As of today. Oh, siguro abot yun siya ng ano, something like 1,000 or 700 or 800 watch hours. Kung sa sudan mo dia, wala kay sudan. Because you're not feeling well. You have to drink the orange and egg.